at Walgreens and we're here to do some couponing. It's a little bit of a slow week at Walgreens. There's some great deals. I'm hoping to find more. I hate their ad. Their ad doesn't show very much. Keep complaining on their website. That's all I'm gonna say. They did try to make it a little bit almost kind of like their old ad, but yeah. So I'm gonna go inside, share with you guys some deals, and then I'll come to my car, do my breakdown, and I will also have a printable breakdown for you guys also. So let's go shopping and save some money. Here's a great moneymaker deal. So we have the Nivea Cream, the smaller little thingies for $1.29. These are currently on sale for buy one, get one 50% off. So you'll buy 3 of them, you'll pay $3.22, but then you get a $5 cash rewards when you purchase 3 of them. It comes out to be a $1.77 moneymaker. You can do this deal as many times as you want if your store has them in stock. Okay, so the only wipes, there's a deal if you spend 10, so you guys can buy 2 of the pads for $5.99. I currently have a $2 off coupon, a 5 off of 2, and then a 10 off of 3. So you want to try to have the 5 off of 2 work for you. You'd end up just paying $6.98, I think, but then you get a $5 cash rewards when you spend 10. So each of these come out to be just 99 cents. If you want to do this deal, if you prefer this deal, this will be $6.49. But with these, I actually have a $2 off coupon, and I have a $4 off coupon that I could use for digitals. So for this, you'd end up paying $7.98. You get the $5 cash rewards. Comes out to be $2.98. If you use the $5 one, if you use the 4 and the 2, it comes out to be $1.98. So it just depends on what deal you want to do. This is a deal where you do not pay with Walgreens cash to get this deal. My store does not have all the tags up yet, but we do have some Crest Toothpaste on sale for $3. You guys want to use a $3 off digital coupon if you have that, and then you also want to use a $2 off insert coupons. You'll end up just paying $3, but when you purchase 3, you get a $5 register reward, so this ends up becoming a $2 moneymaker. Okay, so we have the Colgate Toothpaste on sale for actually $3.99. If you're not sure, just scan it in the app. Click on the product and it'll tell you what the sale price is. So you want to buy 2 of them. We currently have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You'll pay $3.98, but you will get $4 cash rewards every 2 that you get. So this ends up becoming for free. So we have the little small bottles of the Palmolive dish soap. This is actually on sale for 99 cents. We currently have a 50% off digital coupon that you guys will want to use. You'll just get this for 49 cents. We have 2 different scenarios for the shave cream. So we're going to do the one that's $3.29. They're currently buy one, get one 50% off. So you'll buy 2 of them. You'll end up just paying $4.93, but then you get a $4 cash rewards when you purchase 2 of them. That's just 93 cents for both of them. I'm just going to give you guys a heads up, if you let your kids play with this, it'll smell like an old man for a long time. I've learned my lesson from that. Anyways, here is the regular Gillette for $3.79 at buy one, get one 50% off. You will pay $5.68 for it, but then you get the $4 cash rewards. Comes out to be just $1.68 or 84 cents each. So here we have the Dove men's deodorant, 2 for $11. You want to check your app. I currently have a 7 off of 2 digital coupon that I'm going to end up using. You end up just paying $4, but with Fetch Rewards, you get 2,000 points for every 2 that you purchase. And then with Ibotta, you get $1. It is a limit of 5, so you'll get $2 back with Ibotta. These come out to be for free. We also have the Axe deodorant on sale, 2 for $11. There's currently a 6 off of 2 digital coupon that you'd want to use. You end up just paying $5. But then there is a thing on Fetch Rewards where you get 1,000 points for every 2 that you purchase. So that's $2 back. So your grand total comes out to be $3 or just $1.50 each. If you guys still have that digital coupon or the printable coupon, this does end today as in Sunday. These are $1 each. You want to use that coupon for $3 off of 5. You'll just get these for $2 or 40 cents each. Everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm here to bring you guys my Walgreens haul, my Moneymaker Walgreens haul. So I think it's a new month. If you guys know this, I think it's time to grab a new Walgreens booklet. My store didn't have any around the store. They had employees working on the store on the floor that I've never seen before. So that's okay. I didn't need anything from the booklet anyways, but I'm here to share with you guys my deals I got at Walgreens. Now, I did the chip deal again because my kids went crazy over this. If you guys still have the printable coupon, my printable did not work very well, but I still had the digital attached. If you guys do this deal, definitely go ahead and do it. Today's the last day. So these are $1 each. I used that 3 off of 5 digital coupon. These come out to be just $2 each, or 40 cents a piece. That's a great deal. And you guys can submit your receipts on Fetch Rewards and you get points for that too. I think you get 10 cents for every, or like 1 cent or something like that for every item that you scan, or every thing. So I got that. Got the Palmolive dish soap. Now I scanned and scanned and scanned and I could not get this to pop up, so I ended up just typing in Palmolive to find the coupon. So these are on sale for 99 cents. There is a 50-cent off digital coupon that you guys want to use. You'll get this just for 49 cents. Yes. Okay. Now I did 2 transactions. The one I did all by itself was the Almay, because these are deals where you cannot pay with Walgreens cash. So I ended up doing these. These were $5.99. I actually did not see what coupon came off, to tell you the truth. So my Almay one, oh, wrong. My $5 off of 2 came off for this one. The 5 off of 2 came off for this one. So you'd end up getting these for $5.99 to like $7.98, I think is what it is. I can't think straight. I think it's, I don't remember, you guys. But anyways, you get $5 cash rewards for this. So my total, well, with my discount, I got it for $5.18, and then I got $5 cash reward. So this was just 18 cents for me, but I'll have the printable breakdown. I said it on the camera, but I didn't write it down when I was doing it because I just had it on my phone. Now here's a great moneymaker if you guys can do this. It is the soft soap hand thingies. So these were $1.29 at buy one get one 50% off. You want to buy 3 of them. You'll pay $3.22, but then you get the $5 cash rewards. So it comes out to be just $1.77 moneymakers. So you guys will get these all for free and you make a profit. I ended up doing the Crest Toothpaste. None of the stuff was marked, and I'm just like, I'm not scanning everything to see what's on sale, so I just got the 3 that they had marked. So these were $3. I used 2 insert coupons from today's P&G and 1 $2 off digital. You guys would pay $3 for this, but you get a $5 register reward, which I somehow just recently lost. Thanks, Jennifer. Way to go, Jennifer. But anyways, I have it in the car somewhere. But you get a $5 register, and it's a store coupon, so that means you guys can use it for any transaction. You don't need a filler item. So your grand total comes out to be a $2 moneymaker. Yes! Why did I lose my register reward? So got that. I ended up doing the Colgate Toothpaste. The Colgate Toothpaste was $3.99. You guys want to use a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, you'd pay $3.98, but you get $4 cash rewards, making these for free. I am so happy for the cash rewards because I'm getting sick of all the register rewards because you have to do multiple transactions and all that stuff, and I'm happy with just the cash rewards because those don't expire as fast as the other ones do. Then I ended up getting the Dove deodorant. The Dove deodorant was 2 for $11. You would end up using that 7 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $4 for this, but then you can submit $1 times 2 with Ibotta on Ibotta, obviously, and you get 2,000 points with Fetch Rewards when you purchase 2 of them. I think today's the last day. Sorry, I think today's the last day for both of them. So if you guys need to check that out, do it. But these come out to be for free. So I'm choking here. My total was $16.29. I ended up receiving $13.31 for the cash reward. So I got it for the Colgate. I got it for the Nivea, so that's $9. I got it for, you know what I totally forgot to grab is the Gillette shaving cream. Totally forgot to grab those. The Gillette shaving cream, the one I was gonna get was $3.79. Buy one, get one 50% off. You'd pay $5.68. You get $4 cash rewards. I was gonna get that, but totally forgot to grab it. I sometimes forget to put stuff in my cart. But then I also got the $5 cash rewards, and I don't know if I got anything with a booster, but I don't pay attention to those anyways. So anyways, I got the $5 register reward. With Ibotta, I received $2 back. And Fetch reward, I received 2,135 points, making it a $2.13. There's a receipt flying all over my car. My grand total came to be $6.15 moneymaker. I got everything for free. I love it, I love it, I love it. One thing I'm gonna tell you guys is if you guys do the Amazon reward thing, make sure you are scanning your receipts. I do have a video that shares with you guys all the details. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just type in DesignerJen Amazon and you should see it. But basically you get a $10 gift card automatically sent to your Amazon account when you scan 10 receipts. So it's a great deal. It's free money. You get it at the beginning of every single month. So you only get $10 once a month, and they usually send it to you the first or the second, and then they have surveys in there where you can get between 25 cents to 50 cents, which adds up. I think I've gotten over $100 already from that app. So keep scanning your receipts on those apps, especially right now when we can get some good gift cards. You guys don't have to spend as much out of pocket for Christmas. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.